Hello, it is Tiakeysha the coach. For those of you who don't know me, I specialize in credit, wealth, and financial freedom. I'm going to show you how to remove those nasty student loans from your credit report within just 45 days. That's right, 45 days with just 4 simple steps. The first thing you're going to do is take a look at your credit report and see if your student loans are current. If they're not current, let's get on some type of income payment plan so you can get those past due loans into current status. I'm going to show you how to do that in the description of this video under resources. What you're going to do is see how many student loans are reporting. You know how if you look at your credit report, you'll see about 17 different student loans accounts. So what you're going to want to do if it's showing like that, if it's showing 2 or more, you're going to consolidate those. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how to consolidate those in the resource description of this video. So make sure they're current and then consolidate those if that's needed. The next thing you're going to do is freeze the public records. You want to freeze your public records with Innovax, LexisNexis, and CoreLogic. That step takes about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to put those links underneath this video in the description under resources. What you're going to do is freeze your public records so the credit bureaus cannot verify the debt once they try to when you place the dispute. So only thing you need is your name, address, social security number, and date of birth, which you should know your own information, right? You're going to plug the information into their online system or call, whichever way works for you. I'm going to show you both ways. It takes about, sometimes they say 30 days, but normally it takes about 2 weeks for you to get a letter in mail saying the freeze has been placed on your public records. Once you get that back, then you want to send in the dispute to the credit bureau, each address, and you're going to list the student loan account and the account number. So your only thing you're doing is you're going to copy and paste this template from the description section of this video, and you copy of your ID and a utility bill, preferably. Any bill will do with your name and address on it. Steps within 2 weeks, and watch how within 45 days those student loans come off your credit report. Now you may think, why I need those removed off my credit report? People cannot purchase a home because their DTI is so high, which is debt to income ratio. So they want to get those student loans hitting, that's all it does, and removed off their credit report. What I mean by that is you're still going to owe your student loans. There's nothing I can do about that. But they're not going to be able to see that debt. So long as your student loans are hitting, which is removed from the credit reports, they cannot confirm that you have student loans. There's nothing there for them to see. So once they're removed, make sure they stay current. As long as they stay current, like you're making your payments on time, whether you got a forbearance and you just pay the interest on it, whatever plan you have set up, as long as it stay current, you don't have to ever worry about your student loans coming back. Now, if you get those student loans removed and you become past due or make a late payment, they're going to reappear. So make sure you have all that set in place before you start this process. If it was happening to you, like and share. Also subscribe. I'm going to try to come on here and drop many gems as possible to help you conquer financial freedom. The most important thing is let's clean up that credit report.